All right, let's jump right into this explainer on cracking the 2026 Duolingo English test algorithm.
Chasing that elite 140-plus score for top-tier universities? Well, you've got to outsmart the system.
The 2026 format is lightning fast. Quick onboarding, a 45-minute adaptive core, then a 10-minute sample.
It adapts in real time, constantly weighing your consistency across these 4 specific subscores. Here's the kicker. Absolutely nailing those first 10 minutes actually locks in your highest possible score.
So how do we impress it? Feed this bot advanced vocabulary and super complex sentence structures. Let's level up. Instead of calling a shop near, say it's in close proximity.
Ditch basic phrases like I really like. Upgrade to power verbs like adore or favor. See that? Swapping a simple but for nevertheless literally skyrockets your lexical range instantly.
Sprinkle in heavy hitters like customary, seldom, nuance, and relevance to really flex your vocabulary muscles. But words aren't enough. You absolutely need complex sentences so you don't sound robotic.
Just plug your thoughts into this exact formula. Main clause, conjunction, dependent clause. Boom!
Check this out. The fluid version sounds way more like a native speaker, right? Tossing in although bridges those ideas perfectly. It shows fluency and wipes out silly grammar mistakes. When you're writing, picture yourself as a tour guide leading the algorithm right through your brain.
Guide it clearly using strong transitions like consequently, in contrast, or furthermore. Show the way. Okay, let's pivot to the beast, those tricky interactive listening and reading tasks.
You've got exactly 75 seconds to write your entire summary response. Speed is literally everything here.
Rely on this rigid 3-sentence strategy. It guarantees you hit every single point before time's up.
First, clearly state who you chatted with and why. And hey, always use past tense. Next, just drop in the very first crucial piece of advice you were given.
Wrap it up tightly with the second piece of new info. Short, sweet, high scoring.
Stick to these core rules for the entire 45 minutes to keep your subscores maxed out. You've officially got the toolkit. You know exactly how to feed the machine what it craves. So, you're the tour guide for this algorithm now. Where are you taking your score today?